Court of inquiry began today to determine if Williamson County Judge Ken Anderson violated the law when he prosecuted and wrongfully convicted Michael Morton.
Morton lost 25 years of his freedom, and he was the very first witness called there this morning. KXAN's Chris Sadeghi has more from Georgetown.
Once again, here he was, testifying about what he knew about his wife Christine's murder. But this time, it wasn't Michael Morton on trial. Instead, he was here to help answer a question.
Why? What purpose? What motivation?
Ken Anderson is a judge now, but in 1987, he was the prosecutor who helped convict Morton. Over the next few days, this court of inquiry is diving into old evidence and exhibits that Anderson is alleged to have kept hidden from the trial. But on day one, all eyes and ears belong to Morton.
The million and one little things that you take for granted that you can't even imagine. Clothes that are comfortable. People that are honest. Food that tastes good.
Judge Ken Anderson is a very decorated judge in Williamson County, and his legal team is trying to show that he may not have had access to all of that evidence that was not presented in the 1987 trial. And at one point, Michael Morton himself expressed sympathy for Anderson.
But I ask that you do what needs to be done, but at the same time, to be gentle with Judge Anderson.
That's what Morton told Judge Lewis Stearns, who will ultimately decide if Anderson violated the law. As he said before, Morton doesn't want revenge. He just wants one thing.
There needs to be accountability, because without that, every single thing falls apart.
Falls apart just like 25 years of Michael Morton's life that he's just now putting back together. In Georgetown, Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.
Today's proceeding was a court of inquiry against Anderson. That's a rarely used legal procedure that allows a judge to look into a case where a mistake is alleged. Taking a closer look now at Ken Anderson's history in Williamson County. He served more than 16 years as a district attorney in Georgetown. That is the longest tenure in Williamson County history. The State Bar of Texas Criminal Justice Section named him Prosecutor of the Year in 1995. Ken Anderson became a district judge in Williamson County in January of 2002.